Adobe has released the beta version of their AI-driven Generative Fill tool. And I know what you're asking, are the robots coming for all of our jobs? Maybe, I don't know. What I do know is that the Generative Fill tool is a wonderful accessory for photographers, especially when you want to alter the orientation of a picture. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple examples of how I've used this new feature in my editing process. This is an amazing picture from my wedding. I love it so much, I want to carry it with me everywhere and use it as the wallpaper on my phone. The only problem is it's shot in landscape orientation and it would not fit the vertical style of my iPhone. So let's see what we can do in Photoshop. First step, I open the picture in Adobe Photoshop Beta. Now using the crop tool, I stretch the bottom and the top to my approximate desired size. With the rectangular selection tool, I highlight my newly added bottom. Be sure to include a small section of the original shot so that the AI can add on and blend this new section with the original. Now I hit generate, and it looks great. Photoshop will provide you with 3 different versions of the new AI generated section. Tap through and pick your favorite. I'm gonna go with number 1. Now I'll repeat the same process with the top of the image and see how it does adding new sky and trees. All right, looks pretty great already. Let's just see our other options. It's close, but I think I enjoy number 2 the most this time. I love how the trees really frame the photo and they wrap around the wedding ceremony. And that's it, we've successfully turned our image from this to this. Now it looks great as the new wallpaper on my phone. So we've successfully converted a landscape shot to portrait orientation. Now let's try reversing it. Here's a great picture of my friend Allison. I love how this shot turned out, but what if she wanted to use it as the banner on her website? Let's see if we can expand the sides to convert this to landscape orientation. You know the drill, same process as before. Using the crop tool, extend the size of our image. Grab the rectangular selection tool and let's select both the left and the right side at once. Do this by holding down Shift while you select. And generate. All right, I really dig this one, but let's see what other options were created for us. All 3 are pretty solid options, but I think I prefer the first one. With this landscape version, Allison can now use this on her website as she has plenty of real estate on both the right and the left for a drop-down menu, text, or contact information. Here's the before and the after. And here's a few examples of other images I altered using Generative Fill. Who knows where this technology will go, but try to view it as a new tool you can use to enhance your art and creativity. Please share your thoughts on the new Generative Fill tool below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.